like I said, Hawaii, Jaje, Wite, Marcus. Hello, my name is Marcus from Osage, Potawatomi. And I'm hyped up to get to be here. What a cool environment to be able to just come.
We're at Cascadia College.
This kind of conference is something that's so important to me to get to be in front of y'all.
This is our 4th Student of Color Conference. It's become an annual tradition with our students.
You're right now. Yeah, you're right now. You got to get in the game now. That's why I like that you guys took the steps to be here.
More than celebrating them and their identities, it's also marking a space for them to dream big and kind of think about what it is that they'll do beyond high school.
It's really a day where everybody of every different color, every different culture, we can come out and just have a day where we're in the same room.
The population in our school district is such that in an individual school, you may be one of, let's say, 5 Latino kids or one of 2 Black students.
You're really watching each other and you have each other's back.
But when you bring them together in a space at Cascadia College, they can see that within our district there's a lot of diversity.
First year was such a good year because I felt like I found myself in like kind of like the community that you guys kind of built here.
There are different motivations for us, like why you created.
And it's a great opportunity for them to like see other high school students of color, for that to be able to connect with them, different similar identities, similar experiences that they can have with each other, and to be able to just know that there's great opportunities that are out there, you know, for you, regardless of your cultural identity, racial identity.
It definitely helped guide me to like know what like curriculums to get into and like what can help me out and benefit me. 2, 3, 4.
Knowing the fact that you're able to just go and like communicate with people and connect with people and understand that you're not alone in this. And so when we have affirming spaces like this or you know, even affinity spaces where we have kids from, you know, in the same background or have the same background, it allows for them to be able to connect on an even deeper level that they may not be able to do so in their school.
I feel like by having it like games included and having like everybody like joining and doing everything, it feels a lot more safe, fun, and like you get to express yourself a lot more.
My first time coming, I didn't know what to expect, but there was just something at this conference that I just came to understand was like just a real sense of joy and community I got out of it.
Since we're going to be Mac mixing into this track, we're going to speed up to 1.
And just to see, you know, the talent kind of shift year to year, and also the culture, more kids coming and more kids starting to enjoy what we have here at the conference. I think over the years I've just seen a progression in the joy and the culture that we get to share with each other.
They are learning how to DJ. They're learning about how to promote social justice. They're learning about their culture, their history.
But there's 4 things to music. There's the beat, there's the rhythm, duration, and tempo.
I see their minds just expanding with knowledge when they're in the workshops and them asking such great questions about their identity,
diferentes géneros si quieres como reggaeton,
about how they can be more involved in other communities and just a way where they can just, you know, just be.
You don't need to be at the beginning something great to become great. So you just kind of have to put yourself out there, get out of your comfort zone and just like go at it and feel like make your presence be known.
It's important for us to bring young people together that they can interact with one another in a space that is made for them. They actually design a lot of the work that we do from year to year, from workshops to the pace of the show to the showcase portion of it.
This is our time in which we're going to recognize our scholarship recipients.
There are scholarships that are awarded to students as well. It's a very important watermark for them in their school year, and so it's important for us to continue that tradition.
It's that type of experience where you don't really want to leave. For me, when I leave, it's just like, man, I had such a good time with all my friends and meeting new people and getting to go in affinity spaces just to see people who look like me a lot more. For me, it's just a longing of wanting to have more of these events to go on.